अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणाचल अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणाचल शिवा अरुणाचल शिवा.
There is a message from Amit to everyone that his camera equipment got taken from his car this weekend. It was something that he was attached to, and what happened this weekend has reduced his attachment. That's interesting to know. So, Amit, how this has helped you?
It's was something that a physical thing that I was interested in, but now with with it being taken, I feel I've lost. I feel like there is the weight of that has been taken away.
That attachment, feeling of attachment, that weight has been taken away?
Yes, to something which in a way I like to investigate. I like to take photos with, but with what I don't need that anymore. I mean, I realize
So you don't need phone, or
you don't need the physical things that you think you do, but you really don't. So in a sense it's there's a few things that, like, if you have a hobby, you're very much collecting things, and then you're interested in the physical aspects of collections, that is an attachment, but that's also, that attachment, that desire is also a burden.
Correct.
So having, in a way, I was so fortunate because it just so happened that my car was there, the equipment was in the back seat, and destiny was meant to happen. And that to me was I see it as a blessing. Sense.
Correct. Look, we all know so many people, or maybe we might be a collector of some specific thing. Like as a kid, I remember I used to collect coins of different countries, and some people have, they collect stamps. And if you look into these things of collection, we call it a hobby. But being a neurologist, I come across people whom we call hoarders, and that's a disease. So sometimes, the social workers have to call police to even enter their house. There is not even an inch of a space to move in. They just keep collecting whatever they find. And if you go deep into the psyche of people collect different things. They collect old wines. Antique is the most common thing in the Western world. People collect antiques, and some people collect one piece or two piece, but some people keep collecting everything. I would suggest people who are not talking can just mute themselves. But where this habit of collecting things comes, it is again a feeling of filling us and feeling satisfied by something we think we are interested in. So getting more of that same thing. People collect signed, autographed stuff from players. They love their team and they put that stuff in the main room, the guest room, and they feel pride in showing others that look, these are the collectibles, antiques I have collected all my life. But yes, when you go on something where you want to be in the void, everything becomes meaningless. Everything. From these inanimate things even to animate things. Even your own body becomes, and its story becomes useless. Let's try to find the same void in us